How to design a logo with AI for free best tools. A professional logo is the first thing that people notice about a brand. It shows identity, it builds trust, and it makes even a small business look serious. But here is the problem. Professional logo designers can cost a lot of money, and not everyone has the budget when starting out. Now, the good news in 2026, you can design high quality logos using AI tools completely for free or at a very low cost. No design skills, no Photoshop experience, just smart tools and a bit of direction. So, in this guide, I'll show you how to create a logo using AI step by step, plus the best tools that you can use right now. So, let's get started. Now, what makes a good logo? Now, before using AI, you need to understand what you're actually aiming for. Good logo is simple, memorable, scalable, relevant to the brand, easy to recognize. Bad logos are usually too complex, overloaded with details, hard to read, and AI can generate designs, but you still need to choose wisely. Now, AI logo tools are going to work by taking your brand name, understanding your niche, generating multiple design ideas, mixing icons, fonts, and layouts. You don't manually design from scratch. Instead, you guide the AI with brand name, industry, style preference like modern, minimal, luxury tech, and think of it as idea generation at scale. Now, here are some of the best tools that you can use. So, first of all, there is the tool that we're currently on, which is Canva AI Logo Maker. Now, on Canva, you have your very own AI. It's a simple drag and drop interface with a huge template library and AI assisted logo generation. Now, over here, you could ask it, I want a logo for my coffee shop. I want it to be minimal yet abstract. Let's say I want the elements to be, let's say, regarding coffee, very, let's say, sleek. Let's go with something like bold font, and let's go with the calligraphy. And let's finally give the name. The name is called SIP. So we're going to go ahead and enter that in. Now, once we have entered in that prompt, what Canva is going to do is it's going to start creating a design for us. Okay, and that's the incredible part about Canva is that it creates a design and it leaves it right here. Now, I have created tons and tons of different logos through Canva, like this logo right here. Then as we scroll further down, all of these logos were created through Canva AI. And that's the fun part about it. Yeah, it basically gives you the ease of use when working along with it, great AI assistance, and pretty much helps you in every aspect and part of the way. And that's the whole fun part about it. It's great to use, great to work with. Then moving on, we're going to move on to our next AI generator, which is called Looka AI Maker. Now, Looka is basically one of the best AI logo generators out there, and there have been actual enterprises and brands that have used this for themselves. Now, the terrific part about Looka is that it's totally AI powered. All you're going to need to do is you're going to enter your company name. It automatically creates brand kits, modern and professional designs, and good for business logos. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and enter my logo name here. Let's say only SIP. And now we're going to click on Get Started. Now, in some cases, it might not be available in your country, and that is totally not an issue. All you can do is just apply a VPN onto your store. And once that is done, as you can see, it will load things up efficiently right there and then. So just make sure when you are creating an account or opening it up like this, you have a proper VPN applied. Now, once that is done, as you can see, Looka brings you straight into its onboarding. Over here, it's going to ask you to pick your industry. So let's say I'm going to go with the restaurant industry. Once we do that, we're going to click on continue. And now over here, it says pick some of the logos that you like. So obviously you can go with the style and design of the logo that you feel like, looks cool and works along with your page. So let's say I like that. Then let's say I'm going to go ahead with something a little more, coffee-ish, gives that coffee aesthetic. So yeah, I'm just going to go with these two and something like this. So once we go with that, we're going to click on continue. Now it says pick some colors that you like. So I'm going to go with orange. Let's go with yellow and let's go with a green. So once we've chosen this, we're going to click on continue. Then we add in the company name. So it's called SIP. And let's skip the actual slogan for now. Now, once we've done that, it says we've hand curated symbols for these types. Now, this is where it gets important because this is where you're going to want to add in your own things. So I'm going to go with cafe. I'm going to hit search. And as you can see, it's going to give us different types of cafe logos. Okay. So we have cafe logos right here. So let's go with something like this. Then let's go with coffee. In coffee, we're going to go with something like that. Then you could even go with one of these. Then we can move over to something like, let's go with a breakfast. And in breakfast, you could go with the, a croissant right there. And once all that has been chosen, you can click on continue. And once you click on continue, it says pick a logo to customize. Now, this is where it starts creating your actual options. All right. So you're simply going to wait for it to load things in for you. And this is where you are going to start seeing all the things you can use. So look at this. You have the correct elements. You have the correct logo styles. And all you needed to do was just explain it what you want. And as you can see, it has provided you with all the great stuff. Pretty incredible, pretty straightforward. And, you can work along with this pretty amazingly. So as you go on, what you're simply going to do from here is just choose whatever design you like. So let's say I'm going to go with something a little more simplistic, but, fun to the eye. Let's go with this. So let's say this is the one I'm going to be going with. And once you have gone ahead with this, what you're simply going to do is you're going to wait for it to load. And once this is done, you're pretty much good to go. You can work with the layouts. You can add in your things as you go on, add in different palettes, add in different logos, elements. But once you've done everything, they're even going to show you the mockups for them on how it's going to look. Now, if everything is according to what you want, you can simply go ahead and download it from here. So you can get a brand kit and download, but let's say I don't want a brand kit. I just want it simply, right? So what you can do is you can screenshot this off of here and work along with it as you go on. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I am going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.